Hey, how's it going? My name is Brittney S. Harris.
Well, and singing. Okay. Hi, it's me, Brittney, again on a segment of When an Actor Gets Bored. As you've noticed, I've been wearing the same outfit, which means I've been shooting this all on the same day, which means I'm extremely bored today. Okay, so when an actor gets bored, they like to imitate the bird sounds that wake them up in the morning. Now there's this thing, I think it's called the morning sparrow, right? And you're knocked out. It's so funny. You'll be knocked out and you're just sleeping and you hear right? And then you look up and you notice it's just too damn bright outside, and that's when you realize you've like overslept. You kept pressing that damn snooze too much. So yeah, that's called a morning sparrow, I believe. You've all heard it. I'm telling you, if you have pine trees like I do, they're like way up in the rafters in that mug, and they're like woo, 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 woo. Moving on. Bugs. I have other sounds. This segment has changed to sounds that Brittney can make that are by animals. The first one is my pterodactyl. Here we are. All right, cool. All right, and then the next one is it's like, I think it's a dolphin. It's like it sounds more like a lamb sheep thing, doesn't it? Okay. If somebody can tell me what that is, I would greatly appreciate it. See, as you hear them, they're like everywhere, like and like scary. Okay. Oh, for those who do not know, I am terrified of birds. So as other members of my family, I'm not gonna put you out there. But we are. It's something about, especially pigeons. Oh. Alright, and thank you for joining me again with another edition on the B blog of When an Actor Gets Bored. And next time, I don't even know what we're gonna do. But thank you. Merry Christmas, love, and chicken grease. Raw and